In addition to creating with the Brisk extension, you can also create with Brisk on the web. Let me show you 2 ways we can get there. First, you can always open the Brisk extension and you can either click the home icon or you could enter an idea that you'd like to explore and then click the arrow. You can also type in the web address. Here at Brisk on the web, we can now choose if we want to attach or upload any resources for Brisk to use along with our prompt, and down below we can enter our prompt. I've gone ahead and entered my prompt. From here, you can always choose to translate, and of course, you can adjust to your grade level. You can always choose your file output too. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click Next Ideas. Brisk is now creating materials from my prompt to prepare students, to engage them, and to assess them in their learning. On the right-hand side, you do have a chat if you want to refine anything that Brisk generated. You can always scroll through and review what's here. Now going up to the top, I want to show you a couple of things. You can always click Create to get a preview of anything that Brisk has created. From here, you can always review the presentation and put your own personal touches on it. You can always come back and change the prompt too. So you have a couple of options on how you continue to refine what Brisk generates. With Brisk on the web, you can always choose to add content to a bundle. Let me show you that too. I'm just going to select some of these resources, and now up at the top, you'll see that I do have a bundle. Once I click Create, all of the resources will be bundled together. I can now review my bundle. You can see I can open my folder in my drive, and of course, I can always choose to share with my students or my colleagues. I also love that I can add more right here. So if I want to add new resources, I can upload from my Google Drive, OneDrive, or even add a link. You can always preview what this looks like too. Let's explore. From here, you can always review all of the activities within the bundle. And of course, you can choose to reorder however you'd like. You can also select which activities students can view and which they can edit. With Brisk, the possibilities are endless. There are so many ways to personalize learning and create high-quality instructional materials to engage your students.